Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to find out what software a website is using. So this is pretty cool and unique if you're looking at your website or a competitor's website and you want to see what technology they're using and what software they're using on the back end. Watch this video. I'm going to show you a tool and how to analyze it, which is pretty cool. So check it out. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe, turn on the bell for post notifications, smash that like button. I do a lot of videos like this talking about digital marketing, SEO, websites, design, and more for business owners, entrepreneurs, marketers. So this video is going to be pretty unique in terms of finding out what software and tech stack is being used for a website. So let's get into the video. All right, so you could even do a quick Google search like this. There's a lot of softwares out there that are recommended. There's some ads here for SmartBear, Detectify. We like to use BuiltWith. So if you go to the website builtwith.com, you can actually see the back end of a website and what they are using. So our website, for example, is needmomentum.com. It's a pretty big, robust website. Hundreds of pages and blogs and resources and sliders and technology and software and all that mixed into one. So it's pretty complex, but if, let's take my friend's business, local gym and fitness center, we can see what they're using on the back end. So let's look at, how this works, and you would just go to builtwith.com. They have different tools and features. This is a freemium product, and you can get a lot of information from it as to what technology is being used, what technology is good, how much that technology is valued at in terms of the monetary association of your website. So let's paste that link here. That's all you need to do. You get a couple different tabs here. Technology profile, something more detailed you can pay for. The meta profile, relationships to different platforms, any redirects, recommendations, and more. For now, we're going to talk about the technology profile, and you can see here they have Google Analytics with a global site tag with a Facebook pixel and Facebook tracking. They use the Google Font API. They have Yoast plugin for SEO, WordPress. So once you see WordPress plugins, you know they're using WordPress as the content management system, basically the website builder, with Contact Form 7 for the lead forms. They've got a caption on the form, Slider Revolution to show images, Matterports integrated, embedded to show a virtual tour, which is right here. You see they have a caching plugin for page speed, and they're using a framework. So the Batau, I don't know how to say that, it looks French. Some sort of theme here, so you can use a theme with WordPress to choose a template to design on top of. Compatible, mobile friendly. It uses Azure with the WordPress and the theme. Media element for video files. They have WordPress as the content management system. Some SDK framework for some software and SaaS coding on the back. They've got their social plugins. Their DNS, so their domain is with GoDaddy. Website hosting is with Amazon. So probably Amazon is hosting the website with the Amazon AWS cloud. Email with Google, so their email is a Google business platform. They've got the cPanel, probably with GoDaddy, Apache web server, integration with Amazon. And then we'll slide over to their meta profile. Let's take a look here. So you can see their business information, that meta high level information. You go to relationships, you see they have Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Universal Analytics. It shows what time of year all these were set up and added. They moved over to the global site tag. No redirects, that's good. Recommendations is, I think, probably a premium feature here. And just company information. It shows you estimated technology spend, which there's like $370 a year for probably their domain hosting, professional email, etc. and maybe some plugins. Really not spending much. If you take a look here, we'll go back and we'll take a look at Momentum's. You'll see a much heavier tech stack and software stack on the back end. So we've got the HubSpot CRM, active campaign set up for automated email campaigns, 17 hats to use that as a form for a lead tracker. My Site Auditor is a free SEO audit tool, Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel. So we use a HubSpot WordPress plugin, WP Bakery, Yoast plugin, Slider Revolution, WordPress plugins, Contact Form 7, Calendly integration for scheduling, Google Tag Manager, Lazy Load for page speed, the CAPTCHA, COVID-19 protocol, Blog Designer, Carousel. We probably have some things that aren't even being used but are on the tech stack, such as Templately, and we've got the Google Reviews plugin, 99 Robots, probably don't need that, Events Calendar, probably don't need that. We've got the geo coordinates, Ajax, Google Static Content, Mobile Friendliness, Google Maps API, YouTube Embed, WordPress is what we're using, some SDKs here on the back end, some webhooks, Facebook Custom Audiences, Facebook Pixel, social plugins, Google Business App, SSL, DNS, web hosting with Google, Nginx server, etc., etc. Take a look here at our company profile. So we're spending about $18,000 a year in our tech stack, in softwares, integrations, and so on and so forth. And so that really pays off. So this is a unique tool to use and check out. I'd recommend it. There's some freemium options if you want to see what other companies are using for their back-end profiles, what software, what marketing tools, what plugins, what protocols. A lot of cool things that you can reverse engineer and put on your website if you like in other companies and want to see what they're doing on the back end. I'd recommend BuiltWith, which we're not getting paid for, so BuiltWith, if you want to sponsor us, let us know. I hope you found this video helpful. Leave any questions or comments below. Hit that subscribe bell. Please punch that like button. It really helps us with the algorithm and gives us feedback. And check us out on our website, needmomentum.com, our blog, tons of free videos and tutorials on my YouTube, so check here. And we'll see you next time. And good luck with all your marketing and SEO. Peace.